Hi.
Hi.
Sorry to interrupt you guys. I'm a portrait photographer. I take pictures of like strangers and put it on my social media. I was wondering if I could take some pictures of you guys. I can do individual shots if you want. Is that cool? Okay, cool. It's only like literally just a couple of shots, and I've got like a YouTube and a TikTok. I'll give you my handles, and you can. And then, do you want to get some shots?
Yes.
Go on, you might as well. Amazing. Just on the steps, it's cool. What's your name?
Maria.
Nice to meet you, Maria. I'm Mark. Yeah, please. Okay, so let's just do this. You've done it before. Amazing. And let's get you looking off camera as well, that's it. And then I'm just going to do some portrait shots. And again, just looking off camera for me. Wicked. Nice one. Do you want me to show you what I just did? Might as well have a look. Let's have a look. That's it. There we go. Once it's loaded up, there we go. There you go. Cool, right? So yeah, I'll give you my. Have you got to take my handle down?